If you want to search for a song on Google Pixel 10 Pro, you have two main ways that allow you to do so. You can use, for example, circle to search by pressing and holding your finger on the navigation handlebar up here, like this. Or if you use three buttons for navigation, then you can press and hold the home button and then look for this icon over here. You can tap on this button in order to let the phone listen to your background, and then the phone can try to recognize the song title. If it detects a song, then you should be able to get Google search results with the song title. And in addition to that, you can add this option into quick settings. If you edit quick settings, then over here you should be able to find song search in from system apps. So you can add it to quick settings. And if you select this option now from quick settings, it looks pretty much the same. So this is one of the ways to search for songs. In addition to that, we also have now playing, which is available by going to settings. Next, I believe we have to go to wallpaper and style, and then over here we need to go to more lock screen settings. And there we go. Over here we have now playing, which can be enabled by enabling this option, identify songs playing nearby. You can also enhance now playing by using this button. And then if you go to the lock screen, if there is any song detected, then below the fingerprint sensor you will be able to find an icon, and you can tap on it in order to try to detect a song. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.